fourth class to perform. Give her a big round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening to everyone. My name is Sahara Beg. I am studying 4th standard in Idaram Public School. Today I will tell about importance of money. Money is most important in our life, but it's not came easy for us. Our parents do work a lot and struggle a lot. Then it came to us. We always keep respect money. We do not buy wasted things and we buy only useful things. Money gives us security during emergency time. Saving money is best habit. Money should be used wisely because our happiness and good values more important than wealth. Some people may choose wrong ways like cheating to earn more money. But money is not everything. But it is an important tool for comfort, progress our lives. Important to save money and avoid wasting it. Money is important, but values like kindness, knowledge and honesty are even more important. Money helps us live a better life, but we must use it carefully and responsibility. Thank you to all.
Excellent performance.